42nd Street. We've had many great points made, so I'm just going to go ahead and read what I have written here. The only authority under which this council has grounds to implement any mandate is during a threat of an epidemic, and we do not have sufficient proof of such a threat. Even if there was, you still do not hold unlimited powers to infringe upon inalienable rights, such as to breathe fresh air, speak freely, and participate in public. We are not under threat of epidemic. We are under a government trying to replicate the threat of an epidemic through mass testing that has already been deemed irrelevant by the CDC. There is no proof of threat of epidemic aside from this irrelevant data to justify the use of the legal grounds to implement a mask mandate. At this point in time, if this council were to vote an emergency mask mandate, you would be overstepping your limit of legal standing. The mandate is not feasibly enforced. There are no guidelines for proper wear or effective material, and certainly no one to enforce such a thing. This mandate is still not a law. Any individual that does not agree for medical reasons, religious beliefs, or should it go against their creed is exempt from the requirements. These people are protected under the Omaha Charter Code, Section 13-84, Ordinance Number 39262, which requires the accommodation for individuals and protects them from discrimination and a place of public accommodation as defined under Code Section 13-83. No matter how others feel about this, we do not mandate healthy people or the general public over the fears of others. If there are people that are scared of the public, they must find alternative routes, not strip the rights of their neighbor. It is the government's job to protect our rights, not govern our health or everyday lives. I know you underestimate us. I know you think we are the weak minority, and you couldn't be more wrong. We are mothers, fathers, and true Americans. We are informed, we know our rights, and we will take this to the top. We will bring this before the Supreme Court, and you each will be subject to civil suit for squandering our rights as protected in the U.S. Constitution, Nebraska Constitution, and Omaha Charter. Our numbers grow every single day. Every day, the citizens of this city are growing more tired and less submissive to the agenda this council is pushing. If this threat were emergent, as you claim, people, including all of us, wouldn't need convincing. Why do you feel the need to convince perfectly healthy people that they're asymptomatic carriers if this pandemic is real? Real pandemics don't need fake infection numbers, fraudulent tests, fake death certificates, and 24-hour news propaganda. People aren't keeling over in their homes. People who choose not to wear a mask are not becoming sick or dying. Thank you.
Thank you. Tanya Cloyd.